Okay, phosphorus saving by PGPR, you can see different crop, vegetable crop, this is the example. P saving is possible, and where you are applying your phosphatic biofertilizer. This is the production technology. Over 3 decades in India we were having powder formulation of bacteria, but at Anand Agriculture University in last 10 years we have started multiplying liquid formulations and providing to the farmer at our university premises, and now several companies has come forward in Gujarat. We have started liquid formulation because of the several advantage and very few disadvantage compared to the powder formulation. And at presently I can say with confidence that the 4 major giant companies of fertilizer in the Gujarat, IFFCO, CRIPCO, GSFC and Gujarat Agro and GNFC. Except GNFC, all 3 has stopped now powder formulation of the biofertilizer. With our help, they have started liquid formulation, which is better formulation. And in high-tech agriculture, I was discussing with some of the people in the lunch time that yes, high-tech agriculture, there is no chance to have a better agriculture tillage and practices. At that time, soil remains same for years. In that, for nutrient, application of liquid fertilizer is better compared to the powder formulation. Of course, this is a very unique picture of Mahatma Gandhi watching leprosy bacteria under microscope. I think this is the great picture if microbiologists can see in their computer, because this was the only incidence at the ashram at Pune. He was shown to this leprosy bacteria by one British scientist who brought the microscope with him from London. He said, you are working for leprosy disease in India, better you see which is the bacterium which caused the disease in the human being. And so this is a unique picture. I got this picture from the Gujarat Vidyapith. I think in that, on their site also, with my request, now the registrar is kind enough to put this picture on Gujarat Vidyapith site. I said, wait, Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi microscope માં જિંદગીમાં એક જ વાર મેં જોયા છે, તો આને નેટ પર મૂકો. Now they have put it in net. You will get this picture from internet if you like. Now liquid biofertilizer. So liquid biofertilizer is special formulations containing not only desired microorganism. I showed you the all microbes which we are using in the liquid formulations with cell protectors and some substances which can encourage the resting spore formation and cyst formation of the formulations, and which can tolerate all the adverse conditions compared to the powder formulation where we are losing the count of the bacteria within 3 months or 3 to maximum 6 months. But here in liquid formulation, officially as per the government rule, we are writing the expiry date 1 year, but off the record I can say in our formulation bacteria survives up to 3 years. These are some of the important thing about the biofertilizer, but this is the product which we developed as a university. You will surprise that a university is doing business. Yes, as per the theme of the today's our seminar or symposium, I was asked to tell you something about commercialization. So Department of Microbiology, Anand Agriculture University itself is a manufacturer, and our product name is Anubhav Liquid Biofertilizer. This is our university trademark name. If you buy any seed, any product of the university, Anubhav will be the name, and our product is the liquid biofertilizer. Over the last 10 years, we are producing and selling to the farmers. And these are some of the important things about the liquid fertilizer compared to powder formulation. Better shelf life, easy to use, and especially in greenhouse technology and drip irrigation. ટપક પદ્ધતિ, પાણીના ટીપે ટીપે જે પાણી આપવાનું કહે છે ને આપણે ગુજરાત સરકાર. In drip irrigation and in greenhouses, this formulation is better than all other formulations. So these are our all products which we are selling from university counter. Azotobacter, Azoxystrobin, phosphate culture, potash culture, bio-NP, bio-NPK and rhizobium. Rhizobium are crop to crop different. So pulses, oilseeds, we have different cultures. So as per the requirement of the farmer, we provide rhizobium. Otherwise, this culture are round the year available in our departmental cell counter. Any farmer can come and purchase. Of course, our average sale per day from the department is 10,000 rupees. And in last 10 years, our department has sold the biofertilizer worth of 2.25 crore rupees. This is the official data with me. सवा 2 करोड़ रुपया biofertilizer department है बेचू. So we are not worrying grant support from government. Our own resources, and I think my one of the staff member is here in the house. Ketal, please stand up. She is working since last 10 years with us, and she is one of the producer of this biofertilizer. Ketal has started working, I think 2006 you entered in the department, Shrathi. So since 2006 she is working with us, and out of this cell she has contributed a lot. And these are some of the advantages. Of course, some of advantages I have already covered. I will not go in detail. But this is the economics of the biofertilizer. You can see the cost of application and quantity required and saving. So altogether, roughly I can say that if you adopt a nitrogenous fertilizer, you can save the cost about 500 to 600 rupees per hectare. If you will use nitrogen phosphorus combi, you can save up to 900 rupees. And if bio NPK, up to 1600 rupees you can save by less application of the chemical fertilizer, then also more than 10% better crop production. So these are the bottle, and thanks to the government of Gujarat who has heard us in 2008-9, and by 2010-11 program of Krishi Mahotsav, they have started providing these bio inputs to the farmer free of cost. So since 2010-11, all the 17,000 villages of the Gujarat, every village they are sending 10 bottles free of cost. Earlier they were providing urea and DAP as a chemical fertilizer bags, 5 kg to each farmer. I have requested them, and I can say it was the vision of Sri Narendra Modi. He said yes, okay, let us stop giving chemicals which is spoiling soil in the long run. Better to provide bio input to support the soil and to preserve the nature. So he took the very critical decision in 10-11, and then 10-11 onwards, almost all RKVY, Atma and Government of Gujarat Department of Agriculture free distribution kit. They are giving only biofertilizer, no chemicals. You can see the grain yield will be better, but grain size and luster will be better for our food crops, and increase is up to 9% crop yield increase. And I'm talking all these things because of the confidence is every year we are taking 150 to 200 demonstration trial at farmers' field. Farmers are the main end user who are judging the product is best or not. So these are the data since 2004-5 to till date, about last 10 years data of not only one single trial, 150 to 200 trials by the farmers of tribal area who cannot afford the costly fertilizers. મોંઘા ખાતર ખરીદવાના પૈસા નથી. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, પંચમહાલ ઇઝ અવર ટ્રાઇબલ એરિયા, દાહોદ એન્ડ ગોધરા. જે મામું આપણે ત્યાં રોડ બનાવે છે, બિલ્ડિંગ બનાવે છે, એ લોકો કેમિકલ ફર્ટિલાઇઝર 1250 રૂપિયાની DAPની બેગ નહીં ખરીદી શકે. So that farmers are given these bottles of biofertilizer. They are conducting the experiment on behalf of us through our Godhra center. Every year 150 to 200 trials. Over 10 years, all the results clearly shows that 25% saving of the chemical fertilizer with better crop production and better grain yield. આ અમારા લગભગ એમ કહેવાય કે 10 વર્ષના ડેટા છે, not only single day data, 10 years data. Okay, these are the different method of application. Either you can apply as a seed treatment, drip irrigation, seedling treatment, even foliar spray also is recommended sometimes, rice-like crops, where biofertilizer is applied. And this is the very important picture. You can see the biofertilizer coated seed. When it starts germinating, you can see the roots and shoot. Same thing we are following for human being. For up to 5 years, we are giving all the different type of vaccines to our kids. Same way, if you can provide biofertilizer vaccine as a seed coating agent, the growth will be very good since the beginning or since the germination. So this is the best thing. If you can coat the seed, with the biofertilizer, very low cost and best productivity. Okay, and these are the recommendations. So we are advising government of Gujarat by providing recommendations for the farmers. So these are the crops in 30 years at our department. We are, see, for single crop recommendation, how much work we do, I am giving you the example. 3-year experimentation in crop field at our farm. 4th year we are giving demonstration trial to the farmers. So after 4 years continuously testing the culture in a single crop, we give a recommendation to the government of Gujarat. And now this culture you can apply, ask the farmer to start using in wheat, start using in rice, start using in tomato, start using in vegetables. So this type of recommendations of different cultures, it is our own Gujarat native isolates we have studied. These are our culture standard designated name given by university, AAU cultures, and this is the saving possible with these cultures by the farmers. So I think more than 50 recommendations in different crop across the state, not only at Anand, Navsari, Dantewada, Junagadh, all the different agriculture university are testing our cultures and approving for the farmers. And this is the ultimate reward farmers are using, and they are sending the opinion to our Gujarati magazine Krishi Ko Vidya, which is published from the university. So whoever the farmer are using our biofertilizer over last 5-10 years, they are sending the report. Means they have used in cotton, potato, different banana, different crops, and then they are sending their opinion that yes, we are quite satisfied with the university product. These are the opinions, and this is the production facility we have. Of course, educational department is having this production unit also, fermenters, bottling plant, and when government asks us to provide the biofertilizer in bulk, up to 1 lakh bottles we are providing in 2 months of the summer vacation. We are preparing our students, our staff, everybody got involved in this activity. We prepared 1 lakh bottles and provide to the government with the facility provided to us. And this is our sale. I said about 2.25 crore we have won from this business. And of course, our biofertilizer brand ambassador himself is Modi Sahib. This is the bottle in his hand, which he is canvassing to the farmers. Of course, if time permits, I will show you 3-minute film in Gujarati, what he speaks about the biofertilizer at the end. You can please have that copy of the film. Narendra Modi. Huh? And of course, I have seen very few CM who are watching microscope. He was the person when he discussed with me what is new. I said, soybean is a new crop. We have new isolates of rhizobium of soybean. He said, let me see. He was watching the colony of the soybean on the plate under the microscope. Now he is PM. Now he is PM. At the time of CM, these are the pictures of 2013. And these are earlier Vice Chancellor Professor Sheikh. And again, the new CM is also kind enough. So this is our new product. Biofertilizer, we were selling individually as a nitrogen fertilizers and phosphatic fertilizers. But then we developed a new formulation that we call Bio-NPK. And this is the slogan this year. Every agriculture scientist and teacher and student is familiar with this slogan. Healthy soils for healthy life. This is the slogan given by FAO, not by Indian government. And this year on Earth, at global level, we are celebrating as a year of soil. And this is the slogan: healthy soil, healthy life. If soil will be healthy, then only we will survive on this earth. Otherwise, human life is not possible on earth for a longer period. With the population rise which we are observing right now. And yes, after become CM, and this is our Vasubhen Trivedi, Agriculture Minister. Some of the teachers must be aware of her. Right now she is Education Minister. Both the lady right now will command CM and Agriculture, our Education Minister are very well convinced with the biofertilizer product. And this is the formulation. Bio-NPK in a single bottle we provide NPK, total solution to the farmers. And for this work we have got Mahindra Krishi Shiksha Samman Award and 1 lakh rupees cash prize in 2013, 12-13, and this is the person Mahindra. Right now, several products are there of Mahindra and Group in the market. So they are supporting agriculture scientists who are doing some good work through AWOT. And these are the field experimentation of bio NPK, of course, at the farmer's field, saving 25% of chemical fertilizer with up to 10% increase of the crop yield. And again, some characteristic, I will not read that, but I would like to show to young scientists what is the patent. This is the patent which we have been granted for this bio NPK. Of course, our partner is the Department of Biotechnology. It was a funded project from Department of Biotechnology, where we have received about 56 lakh rupees fund to develop this bio NPK consortium. So when end product was ready, they were our partner for the patent. The patent is on the name of Anand Agriculture University and Department of Biotechnology, and myself and my colleague Dr. Harsha Sadat, we two are the researcher for this patent. This type of patent is every young scientist, I would like to say that sitting in the house, all the budding scientists would have at least one patent, because now we have a slogan, Make India. So I hope that every budding scientist can have at least one patent on his name in the career. Huh? Okay, these are again some of the rice field. Rice is a very important crop world over, outside India also, and we have successfully demonstrated in 10 villages to different farmers providing bio NPK formulations in Vadodara district and Anand district. And additionally to biofertilizer, this formulation is also useful to keep some of the fungus away in the rhizosphere, like Fusarium and Macrophomina. So our product is having dual utility as a biofertilizer cum biopesticide. And again, when this product was ready in 2014, CM herself has given this product to the farmers, Lokarpan. We call it in Gujarati Lokarpan. So Lokarpan was done by CM herself. This is my present Vice Chancellor Dr. N.C. Patel, my colleague Harsha Sadat. So we three were there on the dais with her, and she gave this product by her hand for the first time to the farmer free of cost. And it was provided to every district as a sample bottle free of cost from the university as a publicity of the new product. So this is the part of research which we have to take to the industrial level. Huh? This industrial avenue I am discussing simultaneously. Keep this in mind, friends. Okay, and this is the actual work which we did with the industry that I am focusing now. That was all technical work. And now industrial work. So that we call public-private partnership. In 2010 to 15, whatever we did the effort with the industry, that I am now focusing. And why we need a public-private partnership? Of course, in the lunchtime we were discussing this point also. Myself, some of the senior colleagues and my friends were there together. We are 10 to 15 years behind than the developed countries. And to bridge this gap, there is a need to have a strong working atmosphere between industry and university. Whatever support industry required, we should provide from the university. And that we are doing at Anand Agriculture University. So faster R&D to meet with the global scenario, we require public-private partnership with the industry and dissemination of technology to the end user. This is very important. If we will retire, if I will retire, technology will be of no use. My subordinate may not be interested in biofertilizer, they may close down the plant. But if a technology is given to some industry, industry will keep the technology live for several generations because they are earning from that directly. So that is important, dissemination of technology for the end user. Research should go to the our farmers through private sector. That is the motto of Government of Gujarat and Government of India also. And why we require biofertilizer to be promoted to the industry is our again tax varieties. You can see this is the Times of India's survey. 1 lakh crore fertilizer stock going down drain. You can see in 2 decades, 80s and 90s, where only chemical fertilizer were used largely in the country. Productivity is not there much. This is the subsidy bill, 12,800 crore to 1 lakh crore. Just see the rise in the subsidy bill, which we are compensating through taxes. And the crop yield rise from 1734 kg per hectare to just 1854 kg per hectare, when we were solely using only chemical fertilizers. So because of this, now state government, central government, all are telling that don't use only chemical fertilizer, go for integrated approach. I showed you in one slide, fertilizer, biofertilizer, organic, as well as then chemical fertilizer. So apply all 3-4 together to keep the soil living. Of course, this type of advertisement government has started in newspaper that subsidy bill is going up. Farmers are appealed to use less chemical fertilizer. And after Punjab scenario, now farmers have also realized that we should use the chemical fertilizer less judiciously. Otherwise, in Andhra we have seen several farmers are committing suicide because of the main burden of the pesticides and fertilizers. They are taking the material from the dealer distributor. At the end, when they are not able to harvest good crop yield, they are not able to pay back, and because of 2 to 3 lakh rupees to pay to a shopkeeper for their all the dues they have taken in whole season 6 months, they are committing suicide. This is a very pity scenario in the country. But to avoid that, again we have to ask them to come back to the nature, come back to the biological system. Okay, so these are the cultures, 10 years patent deposit with the Government of India, MTCC. And procedure of technology transfer, we are asking the company to become our member of business planning and development unit, which we call broadly business incubator, where they are becoming member by paying 5,000 rupees and 500 rupees every year they are paying as a subscription, and then they are getting benefit from the university. This is something about the cost benefit ratio. This product is the profit of 200 times. Technology transfer. So this is the procedure we should learn as a scientist, how to give a technology to the industry. First is you have to have official application of the company. When company is applying, we are asking the company to submit 3 years their IT statements also. So we can realize that yes, company is doing nice business in the market, then only we give the technology, not to any layman who is coming for the technology. So we take the company's letterpad details and 3 years their IT statement. Then we are signing one agreement, then MOU, and then we permit them to commercialize our culture, our strain and our product for the benefit of the society. And then we also monitor their product, monitor their plant, and watch the product performance in the market through our own student. And if company require graduation, we support them from the university. And impact assessment we are getting through our MBA student of the university. We have an MBA College of Agribusiness. So 2 students were asked to survey the market of the company product whom we have licensed. I will show you the companies whom we have licensed now. Okay, these are some of the other conditions. Every condition is required, but the most important condition we put is every bottle should have a name, a technology by AAU Anand. So wherever bottle goes in the country, through that company, our university name goes. So this is the main proud of the university after technology transfer, that yes, something is done for the public, and everywhere our university name goes with the bottle. Okay, and in 2005 we ran training program of all the bio input company of the Gujarat state. Before we gave them the technology, we trained them, we showed them this technology at Anand Agriculture University. And this is the first company near Halol, that is Asoj village, Pembroke company, who has developed the Tabak product with our help. Then GSFC, Sardar liquid biofertilizers, Gujarat Agro Jevika liquid biofertilizers. And these are some of the press releases of the commercialization and industry tie-up of the university. And some of the pics, some of the MOU we do in the presence of administrator also. So that supports the our tie-up with the industry. So this is Gujarat Agro Industries Corporation Limited, MD of Mr. Randhawa, and our university vice chancellor, agriculture minister, and CM herself, and very in 2015 only, we were very pleased to tell about this everything to governor, our chancellor of every education university. He was at the program at Lunawada, and we saw our vice chancellor, Dr. Pathak. He briefed everything about liquid biofertilizer to me. So this we did lastly. You see, we are involving administrators. Just see, every research, if you want to promote in a big way, you have to involve them. Politicians are always required with us. We are the researcher, hardcore researcher, we are doing research, but if they will not support, we will not able to reach to the end user. So that's why in almost every function we are trying to show our activity to them. And efforts to promote technology, India and abroad, of course, several African delegations. In Gujarat state, you all know, Vibrant Gujarat program is going on. So whenever foreigners are coming to Gujarat, many of them we are calling them to Anand Agriculture University. To them also we do the roadshow about our product. Not only this product, I am the business incubator head. I have several products in my portfolio. I am only talking about my own product here. As a microbiologist, I have come as a microbiologist, not as a BPD head. BPD head, my presentation may be different, where we are commercializing technology of veterinary college, dairy college, engineering college, every college technology that I am not showing here, because symposium is pertaining to biological sciences. So I am only talking about microbiology part. So we are demonstrating them almost all technology, and this was the best, I can say, event happened in US, where Indian and African partners were called by US people at the University of Michigan, and all were asked to share their technologies to each other. And big way, GSBTM is also supporting this idea, research to rupees. So whatever you do the research, let it be converted into the rupees earning through industry, and your products should go to the end users. See, let me tell you, if I will retire, Madam has told me that she read me in my biodata, 110 research paper, 2 books, chapters, everything will go to Pastiwala. Because my grandchild may not be interested in that Pasti, he will say someday somebody, take it, Dada, here. No, this is the reality. This is the reality. Many scientific work which is very precious going to Pastiwala after the retirement of the scientist or death of the scientist. But if you commercialize, this is the most important point. If you commercialize, you will be with the public, with the society after your death also. Because your product will work, your bacteria will work for the public. And because of the World Bank pressure to the government of India, CSIR, DBT, DST, ICR, all the apex organization of science have started creating agri-business incubator, scientific incubator, and industrial park, scientific park. Because research should go, because they are spending millions and billions of rupees on research. If research will not be used by the public, will not be of use. And this type of symposium, we should discuss this only. How to promote the research through industry to the public. Kahin pan navu karo tame. See, I think 50% are the females in the house. You have a fond that if you have cooked something new, you will ask your neighbor, I have done something new recipe, would you like to test? Likewise, if you do any new research, ask your industry friend, would you like to have this research? Take this research. You want some money from that, but put our name on your product. We will also get fame and some money is also received. You will not believe, by selling the technology, we are receiving 15 lakh rupees hand-holding fee from the company. 15 લાખ રૂપિયા અમને કલ્ચર આપીએ છે અને એનું પ્રોડક્શનમાં સપોર્ટ કરીએ છીએ. We are getting 15 lakh rupees cash from the company. So these are the resources which we are gathering for our future research, for our students, through commercialization. And of course, this DBT GSBTM venture is also going on across the state for research to rupees. And agriculturally beneficial all microbes, ma'am, these are the 50 microbes which we have isolated, characterized, still much more we have to isolate, but at present I can say these 50 are on our hand, ready for commercialization. All the bacteria identification, NCBI information generated for the public domain, and summary of my whole talk. I would like to say that supplementary fertilizer supplies for meeting the nutrient need of the crop, 20 to 200 nitrogen kilogram of nitrogen per hectare. Also phosphorus and potash mobilization 30 to 50 kg per hectare. Also growth promoting substance for the crop, suppression of pathogens also with yield increase, improve the soil physical properties, and cheaper compared to chemical fertilizer, cheaper. I can give you the example. If you use 1 bag of DAP costing 1150 rupees, but if you use NNP, HP fertilizer or NPK, it will be hardly costing 300 rupees, but with the saving of 1 bag of DAP per hectare. So if you are intelligent farmer, you will go for biofertilizer because you are spending 300 rupees and saving 1150 rupees. So your net profit at the time of starting the crop or agriculture will be not less than 800 rupees per hectare. Okay, this is the one chart showing all the details. These are some of the other awards and recognition we got because of this type of public-private partnership activity. First was from Federation of Gujarat Industries in 2011, again from Modi Sahib, and this is the topmost version of the agricultural research, that is Director General ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. You are familiar with the UGC term, correct? Head of the UGC like head of the agriculture. Director General Agriculture, who has provided certificate of appreciation, who has appreciated our this type of public-private partnership activity as well as transfer of technology, TOD and PPP. So that was mentioned in the certificate that because of that activity, myself, my colleague Harsha sir and my Vice Chancellor, we were provided this. First Sardar Patel Award also we received. And ultimate award I can say, that is Times of India JP Morgan Social Impact Award. They said that this group of scientists has done something different. They have approached to the society, so let them give the Social Impact Award. It was a JP Morgan International Award. And with this, our university got a lot of fame. The Times of India edition of whole country means Vadodara edition, Surat edition, Mumbai edition, likewise Hyderabad, Chennai, all Times of India editions, on first page our cover story was there for this JP Morgan Award. Our name was there across the country from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in Times of India. That this group has done something for the society and they have got it. So this is the credit we got because of this type of activity, not teaching research, other than teaching and research. Teaching research we are doing. As Madam told, I have completed my 25 postgraduate thesis under my guidance. Few are still working. One student is sitting in the house also. So few students are still working in the department. But besides this teaching, we motivate them to work for the society. We asked our MSc PhD students to mass produce biofertilizer for farmers. So they are learning production technology, simultaneously they also get satisfied that their product has going to different villages across the state. Okay, so some of the few slogans we have developed. Use liquid biofertilizer, cut down cost of cultivation. Andhra जैसे suicide नहीं होने चाहिए गुजरात. We would like to cut down the cost of cultivation by using biofertilizers, low cost, easy to use and eco-friendly. Okay, and this is most important picture. I would like to share with you. We would like to have a world like this, not like this. એકલા ખેતરો જોવા છે, બાજરી જેટલી નથી જોઈ, ઘઉં એકલા નથી જોવા. We would like a good world like this. We would like not only student professors, because I am a professor, I am quoting myself. We don't want only professors, we need every type of different animals, human, everyone, correct? But we have to always remember dinosaurs which are no more on the earth. So, gun is in our hand. Go behind chemical or go behind biological will be your decision, correct? If you will go behind biological, you will be having this type of world. If you will go behind chemical, you will be having this type of world. You have to choose. Gun is in your human's hand, our hand, correct? We have to be cautious. Otherwise, once upon a time, we will be in the museum like dinosaurs. T-Rex. They will say humans. Once upon a time, they were leading the earth. Dinosaurs, once upon a time, they were on the earth, king of the earth. Now humans are king of the earth. So we have a better brain, better understanding, not to hire the gun. We have to keep the gun in the pocket, and we should have the world like this. Okay, friends? Thank you. Please, 3 minutes small film is there by Narendra Modi. Whatever I spoke in this last 45 minutes, he is covering in 3 minutes. With his own expertise of convincing the farmer. Of course, compared to me, you will feel that in Gujarat he has convinced the farmer in a better way. In 2012, he gave this message, and this CD was sent to every village of the Gujarat to play for the farmer. આમ તો જમ્યા પછી મને બધા બોરિંગ નહીં કરું પણ તો હવે આશા રાખું છું ઊંઘ્યા નહીં હોય કોઈ પાછા વાળા કદાચ સુઈ ગયા હોય તો ખબર નહીં અંધારા વાળા છે થોડા દેખાતા નથી મને So if you have any questions something before the film gets played, you can ask me. છેક છેલ્લે હશે નરેન્દ્ર મોદી સાથે કોઈ પ્રશ્ન હોય તો પૂછો અને see beside this any young scientist would like to have a technology and to become an agriculture entrepreneur. We have several technology besides biofertilizer. You can come, we will provide probiotic also. We are providing our hand. See, some technology we have sold outside the Gujarat also. I am just putting off the record because microbiology talk is over biofertilizer. We have a date pump technology that we have provided to one company at Hyderabad, Orcam Industries. They have purchased the technology from Anand Agriculture Industry, paying 40 lakh rupees. The speaker book it.
ભાઈઓ બહેનો આ પ્રયોગ સમજવા જેવો છે દરેક તાલુકાની જમીનમાંથી અત્યારે કેવા પ્રકારના બેક્ટેરિયા છે એ બેક્ટેરિયાને આપણે એકત્ર કર્યા અને એના આધારે લિક્વિડ ખાતર તૈયાર કર્યું લિક્વિડ જૈવિક ખાતર તમારા હાથમાં તો બોટલ જોતા હશે આ લિક્વિડ જૈવિક ખાતર આપણે ત્યાં ગુજરાતમાં તૈયાર કરીએ અને જમીનના માઇક્રો ન્યુટ્રિયન્ટ ટેસ્ટ કરીને આવશ્યક બેક્ટેરિયામાંથી મેળવીને આ કામ કરવાનું આપણે ગોઠવ્યું અને આના કારણે ગુજરાતની અંદર ડ્રીપ ઇરિગેશનની સાથે આ પ્રમાણિત ખાતર જો ભેળવી દેવામાં આવે તો આખી જમીનની અંદર આ બેક્ટેરિયા પહોંચતા એ પોતે જે ખાતરનું કારખાનું બની જાય કમ્પોઝ જે ખાતર હશે એના તત્વોની વૃદ્ધિ કરવાનું કામ આ બ્રાહ્મણ પોતે જ કરવા માટે જેમ ખોરાક ખાઈએ અને લોહીમાં પરિવર્તિત થઈ જાય એમ આ બેક્ટેરિયા નાખીને એ જે તમારે કમ્પોઝ ખાતર પડ્યું છે એ પોતે જ વધુ શક્તિશાળી ખાતર તરીકે પરિવર્તિત થઈ જાય એવો એક મહત્વનો રોલ આ જૈવિક પ્રવાહી ખાતર દ્વારા આપણે કરીએ છીએ અને એના દ્વારા આપણે ગુજરાતમાં 5 લાખ લીટર આ પ્રવાહી જૈવિક ખાતર તૈયાર કરવાની દિશામાં કામ કરી રહ્યા છે આ પ્રારંભિક ધોરણે કામ કર્યું તો સફળ થયું છે અને આ વખતે 6 કરોડ રૂપિયા કરતા વધારે માત્રા રકમથી 5 નવા પ્લાન્ટ આપણે ગુજરાતના જુદી જુદી જગ્યાએ ઉભા કરી રહ્યા છીએ અને એગ્રો ક્લાઇમેટિક ઝોન પ્રમાણે તાલુકા પ્રમાણે ક્યાં કેવા પ્રકારના બેક્ટેરિયા છે એને ઉપયોગ કેવી રીતે થાય એને કરીએ ખેડૂત ભાઈ મારા હાથમાં એક બોટલ છે આટલું દ્રાવણ ખેતરમાં નાખી શકાય. અમારા જે વૈજ્ઞાનિકો આવ્યા છે બહુ સરળતાથી તમને આ બધા વિષયો સમજાવશે. ખાતરની મોટી બચત થવાની છે, પૈસાની મોટી બચત થવાની છે, જમીનની પણ સુધારણા થવાની છે. આ કૃષિ મહોત્સવ દરમિયાન તમે આને જો બરાબર સમજી લેશો અને એનો ઉપયોગ કરશો તો મોટો લાભ થવાનો છે. ભાઈઓ બહેનો आप लोग समझवा है.
Okay, this is all. This is just repetition.
દરેક તાલુકાની જમીનમાંથી અત્યારે
So I think whatever I have told in 45 minutes, he has conveyed in very simple Gujarati language to the farmers. So this is the research outcome he is telling. He says that it is the bacteria, once you put in soil, it will start working as a chemical fertilizer producing unit in your soil itself. And that is the best thing. And second thing, at that time it was a severe crisis of DAP and urea. Fertilizer was not available to the Gujarat farmers. Still today it is happening that farmers are not getting fertilizer in time. So first step he has already taken in the country. He has asked all the fertilizer to be coated with the oil. So misuse of the fertilizer by industrial sector has been stopped now. And he has issued card to the farmer that a farmer cannot overuse the fertilizer. Farmer is having 1 hectare land, he is allowed to take only 3 bags of urea per season, not more than 3 bags. He will not be provided. So we are hopeful that our income tax slab will be steady now. It will not increase. Further cess will not be implemented on us, to the public. So because of he has converted all the urea products now slowly. All these GSFC, IFCO, CRIPCO like company will coat the urea with neem oil and provide to the farmers. So this one step he has taken. Organic policy of the country, of course in that he has very well emphasized Gujarat organic policy also. Government of Gujarat has emphasized about use of biofertilizer. So state and national level policy now biofertilizer is very well fit in the mind of the administrators. So slowly microbiologist's role will be better in the society for serving the society. Any more questions, anything you need? Regarding technology commercial and probiotic cultures, of course Amul simultaneously they were our partners over last 5 decades with the university. So there some cultures are from Anand Agriculture University, but our cultures are sold to 2 companies, 2 main dairy. One is Kerala Dairy, Milma, and Sudha Dairy, Bihar. So both the dairy are producing probiotics using our culture of Anand. Again, Dr. Prajapati is the microbiologist who has developed this culture. So we are selling the technology outside the Gujarat, not within Gujarat. I showed the example of Gujarat, but we have now partners outside the Gujarat also across the country. And now we are looking for global partners for African countries where this biofertilizer can be promoted further. So this is industrial university tie-up. હવે તમારે કોઈને ધંધો ચાલુ કરો તો આવવાનું મારી પાસે. કોઈને પણ બિઝનેસમાં રસ હોય તો આવજો, સલાહ આપીશું જેટલી થશે એટલી અમારાથી. બરાબર છે?
Thank you, Dr. Vyas, for the excellent presentation in a very simple and listed manner. This presentation showed a path to all the youngsters to earn money and to earn honor also, and to transform a CM to scientist also. I'm sure that though it was a post-lunch session, but everybody was awakened because he could teach us how to earn money, and everybody is interested in money. So thank you so much, Dr. Vyas. And if there is any question, you may ask Dr. Vyas. Questions, please.
I say partial substitute. Why not complete? You are substituting only partial.
No, 100% substitution is not possible, sir, because of shortly we will be 135 crores in India, and we have only 18% land of the world, and population is 1/3 of the world. To feed them, we need chemical support. We are not able to completely stop. Yes, we have the farmers, group of farmers who are exclusively doing organic farming, who are not using single dose of chemical fertilizer. They are using, they have substituted, but their products are going to international market. At present, they are not getting better price in India. So we have to balance. In world, we have 2% of the public who needs best food, For them who are cultivating, they are using total organic. Otherwise, to feed each and every lemon, we need a lot of grains, and for that, we have to have the support of urea, DAP, not only biofertilizer.
And all the names for the products that start with Anubhav.
Yeah.
Which is come with lot of Anubhav.
Mimicry. One of the senior person is right now in the house. Who is from BAS. Scientist, you may have heard him today or yesterday. I don't know. Today only, sir. Now the BARC has developed one technology, irrigation of city west. The Dr. Vasna's technology. We had a 2 meetings with Dr. Vasne. Now Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation and BARC has signed one MOU of 100 crore rupees, I think, total. Total cost will be 100 crore rupees. No, Vasne. So they will provide gamma irrigation technology. So whatever the waste will come out of the Ahmedabad city will be processed with that gamma irrigation technology. And waste will be converted into a fertilizer. City waste will be converted into a fertilizer, organic manure for the farm. But unfortunately, such manure has nitrogen content only 0.5 to 0.8%. So BARC technology will convert a waste for a fertilizer, and we will fortify that with the MOU with the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. We will fortify that with our PGPR biofertilizer microbes, and we will value add that product. And once if it will be successful in Ahmedabad, most probably BARC will allocate whatever the plant they are setting up across the country. They will ask them to have the bio-NPK technology from us. So all the city waste will be converted in organic manure. Further